What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Afterpay for purchasing things from Target. Now the first thing you got to note is the eligibility. Afterpay is available for Target purchases online and in-store, but you must have a valid Target account and you also must have a valid Afterpay account. So if you have those two, then let's just get straight into how to use it. So the first method is online. First thing you can do is you can add items to your cart on Target and then select Afterpay as your payment method at checkout. So once that is done, you got to log into your Afterpay account to confirm the payment, then review the payment details and confirm the purchase, and that's it, you're done. The second is in store. So let's say you're at the store at Target. You gotta first inform the sales associate that you want to use Afterpay, and then you have to provide your phone number to receive a one-time password from Afterpay. Then you got to confirm the payment using that one-time password, and once that is done, everything is smooth sailing. A couple of things to note: the payment schedule. So your first payment is due right for that moment you want to purchase your item. So you got to make your first out of 4 installments right then and there. But then the rest are due every 2 weeks over the next 6 weeks. So you got to take note of that payment method. Now, of course, Afterpay doesn't charge you anything for using the service, but there is a late fee if you don't make your payments on time. So you got to make sure you make your payments on time so you end up enjoying no fees. Okay, so check if Afterpay is available for your Target purchase, because the Afterpay might not be available for every single item at Target, but you got to make sure the item you want is available with the Afterpay service. And after that, you have to review the payment schedule to make sure you understand the payment so you don't miss your date. So you got to make sure, because if you do, you're gonna get fined, you're gonna get an extra fee. So if you don't want that extra fee, you got to make sure you review the payment schedule to ensure that you understand everything perfectly. Please make that timely payment so we don't end up crying at the end of the day. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys found it useful. Hope this taught you how to use it at Target. So if you like the video, of course, leave a like and comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it, and share the video with your friends. Let them all partake in this knowledge, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.